Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another one from my friends over at Beauty Forever Hair. That was right on time. So I am coming through with a 20-inch Brazilian headband wig, and I am so ready for this one. All right, guys, let's get into some deets. She has one comb in the front, one comb in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda Forever, okay? And this unit also comes with 3 headbands. Now, this unit is a thick, kinky, straight wig, okay? I have her in 20 inches, and she's currently going for just under $125, okay? Now, that's really, really, really inexpensive, okay? For the texture of this hair, for the density of this hair, it's 150% density, and mother is thick, especially for her not to be a full wig. So I'm just going to go on through and get some styles together for you guys so we can look at what this headband unit is doing for us. It is important to note that this unit is relatively big head friendly. I did not receive any shedding with this unit. This hair did not tangle. Okay, and for this to be like a half wig, 3/4 wig, it is relatively big head friendly. And I do kind of like that because then it gives everybody a little bit more room to play. You could bring her up a little bit further or push her back, like as you like. And I really do like that aspect of it. But again, this hair is fire. This is my hair. It's not up for debate. obsessed with this. I at first was feeling like, you know, with it being a 3/4 wig, the headbands I wasn't too sure about, but I really do like the tie headbands. And I feel like this is more for a situation if you wanted to leave a little bit of your hair actually out, as opposed to wearing it in a ponytail like I have right now. It will work perfectly, but I couldn't be more happy. I love things that look like my hair. That's my hair. Proof it ain't. Now, I don't have nothing else to say. I give you guys 3 looks for 3 different headbands. Check out Beauty Forever Hair. They are doing something with these texture units, and I am feeling every bit of it. So buzz down, subscribe to our channel. I'm going to make sure we got a little coupon code in there for y'all so y'all can get a couple coins off. And I'll see you beautiful mugs later.